Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Instagram reels. So guys, for that go to your Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon beside the search bar. Now you can see in the below post, story, reels and live. You have to go to reel. Then you have to select your photo or video. You can also select multiple photos or videos. So guys, now I am using these photos for my reels. So you can see there is a lot of options. The first option is music. From here you can select any kind of music that you want. You can add your pictures. Now second one is your captions. You can write here anything that you want. Third one is sticker. You can add any type of sticker. Also you can add location, captions, add yours, quiz, gif and photo, avatar and rest of thing. Then you can see there is an option effect. You can customize or set any effect on your pictures. And then other of these things you can use. And after all setting this, just tap on next. Then you have to tap on share. And then your reels will be shared. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.